Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open a Meezan Bank account online using the Meezan Digital Account app. This method is fast, convenient, and completely paperless, so you can open your Islamic bank account right from your phone in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for the Meezan Digital Account Opening app. Download and install it on your smartphone. Once it's installed, open the app to begin the registration process. Before you start, make sure you have a few things ready: your CNIC, computerized national identity card, and the mobile number that's registered under your name. These are essential for identity verification. When you open the app, you'll first be asked to verify your mobile number. Meezan Bank will send you a one-time password, OTP, via SMS. Enter that code to continue. Next, fill in your personal details, including your CNIC number, date of birth, and other basic information. After that, the app will guide you to enter your occupation and income details. Be sure to provide accurate information, as this will be used for account verification and compliance. Now comes the biometric verification step. The app will ask you to take a live selfie for facial recognition. This step replaces the need to visit a branch for fingerprint scanning. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Once all your information is entered and verified, review your application to make sure everything is correct. Then tap Submit. That's it. Your application will now be reviewed by Meezan Bank. Once it's approved, you'll receive a confirmation message and your account will be activated. From there, you can access Meezan Internet Banking, the Meezan mobile app, and even request a debit card to be delivered right to your doorstep. And that's how easy it is to open a Meezan Bank account online using the app. No paperwork, no branch visits, just a few minutes on your phone, and you're ready to start banking the Sharia-compliant way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more banking and tech tutorials, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.